Okay guys, I'm going to introduce a guest today. It's not Shasha anymore, but it's my dog. Hi. Yeah, she is Nene. Hi. Cotton candy. She like cotton candy. So cute. Hi. Hi everyone. 안녕하세요. Hi. 안녕하세요 여러분. Welcome to the fourth video of German Korean with Mawen, and I'm Mawen. How are you guys? And today we are going to continue learning about consonants. So have you remember what we had learned last week? Last week we learned three consonants, which are kiok, nian, and what is the last one? Yes, the last one is tiget. So today we are going to learn another three consonants. So are you guys ready? Let's start! So the first consonant of today is lian, lian, and it's written like this. Yeah, it's actually a bit complicated from the last three that we have learned, but actually it's easier if we combine from the consonants that we have learned last week. Remember kiok? Yeah, so first we'll write kiok first, and we add a vertical line like this, and the third stroke we will insert the nian, and ta-da! Then this will become lian. So the names of the consonant is lian, lian, and it's similar like the romanization of L, but not very L. It also somehow sounds like an R. Lian, lian. Yeah, so it's not really like lian, 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 which is the L sound, but not really like the real. So let's have some examples so that you can remember and to know the difference. So the first example is something that we heard often. 라면. 라면. So you guys know what this means? Yes, it means noodle, and commonly it is referred to the instant noodle in Korea. For example, like 신라면. So this is noodle. So as you can hear, is 라면. La, L with and R will become. So this is 라면. 라면. It's already 라면 or ramen, but it's ramen, ramen. And the second example is radio, radio. Okay, as you can recognize, D, this is the tiget that we have learned, and this is the O, so this is radio. Yeah, so actually it is a radio. Radio means in Korean, so it's radio, radio, radio. Yeah, it's not radio or radio, but it's radio, radio. I'm listening to radio. And there is another example, which is it's a loan word, which means that the Koreans loaned the word from other foreign language. So like radio just now is English. And this is another one from English as well. Rocket. Okay, the lead with the O. Rocket. So this is similar like the RO in English, but it's pronounced as rocket. Rocket. Okay, rocket. So the next one we learned is quite easy, the shapes to memorize. It's like a rectangle. This is medium. Medium. Yeah. So it's easy to write. Okay. First, you just have a vertical line, and we insert the kiok. Okay. And you cross the box. Yeah, it's easy as that. Which is like three steps, three strokes. Okay. So this is like similar like a rectangle shape. So this is medium. It's quite similar with the M sound in romanization, but also in is quite related to B. Okay, medium. Okay, and the M is actually similar. You know, the shape is similar like your mouth, the shape of your mouth. Medium. It's like, you know, you can relate actually most of the consonants, the shape of the consonants, you know, are derived from the shape of our tongue and the mouth. So, you know, Malaysia in English have like a 3 kind of sounds. Malaysia. Okay, but in Korean there are 5 words. There are 5 characters in our country's name. Okay, which is Ma, Le, Yi, Xia. Okay, and this is the Lil that we have learned just now, and this is the Ma. It starts with the Mim. Okay, so it's called Malaysia. Compared with the English, it's kind of different, like not Malaysia. Okay, but not Malaysia. This is the real. So it's, but in full we pronounce this as Malaysia. Malaysia 온 사람입니다. Malaysia. Okay. So this is one example. Ma. Okay. So the next example is hat. Do you know what hat is called in Korean? No, hat is not hat, but it's hat. Okay, your hat. So hat is called 머리. Okay, this is mo with the mium and the o. Okay, 머리부터 머리, and this is the real that we learned just now. Okay, 머리, which means head. Wow, just now I did mention about hat. So hat actually kind of similar with like 머리. It starts with a mium as well. 모자. So this is mo. Okay, the mium and the o. 모자. My 머리 has 모자. So I'll give you another example. 마음. Do you know what is 마음 means? 마음. Okay, this starts with ma as well. And you can see there's a mium here. So this we are going to learn when the consonant is at the back. How do we pronounce that? We'll learn it in the future. But let's focus in ma. Okay, maum is heart or your mind. You are always in my maum. Okay, mind or someone's heart. And this word sometimes you can listen a lot from Korean songs. Okay, maum. So are you guys okay so far? So you have understands about the overall concept of Hangul, where we should not we should not follow romanization always. Keep on remember that you have to listen more and to know more and speak more so that you can know what is the really correct pronunciation of each Hangul words or Hangul sound. So the last one of today is pi. Okay, this is quite a cute shape. Okay, something like a tank with water. Yeah, a tank with water. So this is pi. So how you doing to write this is from the left to the right. So you can draw 2 vertical lines first and top to the bottom, and you draw another 2 lines in between them, and this is pi. So the sound is kind of similar like B and also P, but it's more to the B sound, P. But it's not really like B, the B, but it's a bit like P as well, with a bit of air coming out when you said B. So it's P, and you have to close your mouth at the back, so it comes like something. It's more similar like B, P. Okay, so the first example is it's like a character that all of us we wish to be, which is a puja. Puja is a rich, a rich individual. It can be a rich man, a rich woman. When you watch a lot of Korean dramas, those people that actually live in a mansion, and with handsome face, and their body are all with branded clothes, branded bags. So these are people are puja. Puja. It's not really buja, but it's puja. Puja. But it's not P. We cannot say it is P because it's different. It's not puja. Yeah. But it's really between B and a P. It's another confusing one. But this is the only tips that you have to listen more and practice more. So the next one will be paji. Paji. It's pants. Oh, I'm starting to draw things. Yeah. Paji. So as you can see, pa. The P and the R, paji. Paji means pants. Okay. So to relate back, to the pronunciation, so it's not really baji or paji, but it's paji. Paji. And another example, I guess a lot of us understand about that. If you watch Korean dramas, you will know because they always shout this term out, which is pabo. Pabo. Pabo means an idiot. Yeah, an idiot. But it's not really a very bad idiot, okay? Means if you say someone is a pabo, it's not that bad, but you're not really hurt him. But yeah, it's still not a good word. But pabo means you're an idiot. 이 바보야. 너 진짜 바보예요. This is it's when you call someone an idiot. So this is you have two P up here. So it's pabo. Pabo. Well, the last example can get you very handy if you go shopping in Korea. So when you find something quite expensive and you wanna cut price, you wanna bargain with the people. So you have to learn to say this thing is expensive. So expensive in Korean is called pisa. Pisa. Expensive. So you can see the first word, the P here and the E. 이 바지는 비싸요. 이 바지는, we have learned just now, 바지 is the pants. 이 바지는 비싸요. Thank you guys, yay! Today you have unlocked another 3 consonants. So you have to calculate how many Hangul characters that you have learned since the first video. Yeah, time flies. Actually, this has been my 4th video with you guys. Means we have actually learned Korean for a month now. And I really hope throughout this journey, this learning experience, you really like it. And I'm really, really thankful that in every video you are supporting me and really watch the video to the end. So if you come here, I'd like to say 감사합니다 and fighting. Okay, keep moving in learning Korean. Feel free to go to our website and other resources and also other YouTube channels to learn more about Korean, learn more about Hangul. And after this series, I have so much content, beautiful content about vocabularies, about sentence structurings, blah 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 that I want to share to you guys, and at the same time I can learn from it as well. So please stay with me and together with me to develop this project. So I'll see you in the next video where we'll go to another 3 consonants and step by step we're going to accomplish understanding all of the alphabets of Hangul. So 다시 또 만나요 여러분. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.